Hey, what's up guys, it's Luka and welcome to this video about gratefulness. Apparently gratefulness is the key to happiness, so I thought I'd try it out, make a little challenge out of it, and every day write down 5 things that I'm grateful for. The only rule is that I can't write the same thing twice, so in the later days it got a little bit difficult, but I made it through and here's the result. Enjoy. Plant-based pizza, spending time with my girlfriend, chocolate presents, cute sports anime, the feeling of falling into bed after a long day, my housemates, a hot cup of tea, cuddling my girlfriend, communal dinners, the sun, a job that I'm enjoying, comfortable new mattress, honesty, end of work, Harry Potter, hot chocolate, massages, friends, time for myself, running, the smell of spring, the feeling of making a difference, YouTube, walks in nature, meeting cute dogs, live music, sleeping in, trying out a new recipe and succeeding, the feeling of accomplishment after a workout, getting into a hot shower on a cold day, love and support, swimming, Japanese food, calling my mom, planning the next adventure, family, getting organized, speaking Japanese, romantic relaxed evenings, home-cooked meals, morning routine, meditation, sunsets, getting stronger, my students, every awesome person I met, that my friends and family support me with everything, all the opportunities I have had and will have, music that I can identify with, being fit and healthy to do what I want. And that's it. I really hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, comments, again, leave it down below in the comments. I'll answer all of them. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!